Hello everyone, this is Pat Mesiti. What an incredible month April was. 30K in 30-day challenge exceeded all expectations. Elsbeth Youth, one of our clients, was part of 250 applications, and we randomly chose her out of 250 applications, and of course we showed that our system of wealth creation works. She generated over $128,000 in just two 90-minute webinars. That is unheard of. Now, this is May, and some of you disqualified yourself because maybe you didn't have an idea, or you weren't chosen, or maybe you felt that it wasn't for you. However, I really believe that this May is going to be a month where you can actually make some great money. I am launching my global financial rescue formula. Now, many of us learn in different ways. Some of us learn through watching videos, some through webinars, some through auditory, some through reading. Well, guess what? I'm going to do all of those for you because I don't want any person left out. I want everyone included. Now, what I'm doing this month, I'm going to show you 4 or 5 incredible strategies that you can actually implement right now, just like Elsbeth did, just like many of you are desiring to do, and create incredible wealth. Now, I am bringing to your table the people that I consult with on a weekly basis. These are the people that are not just the latest. You don't want to be the latest. That's already happened. You want to be ahead of the pile. I'm going to bring you economists, real estate investors, online experts. I'm going to bring you people that I've done JV partnerships with, which have generated literally over $40 million. I'm bringing to you my pillars of wealth. What are the pillars of wealth? Well, you need to get the right mindset. Number 2, you need to get a great strategy. Number 3, you need to get right mentors. Number 4, you've got to learn to be an investor. Number 5, I really believe we need simple strategies that can actually propel us forward. Now, I'm going to be mixing some of the old, some of the new, and some stuff that's happening in the future. You're going to learn through webinars. You're going to learn through online programs. I'm going to be interviewing the people that mentor me, and I'm bringing them to your table so that you can feast off what they know. These are the best of the best. Global entrepreneurs, economists, business leaders, all of them. And yes, they're going to give you some tools and some strategies that you can implement right now, and launch yourself financially. Times have changed, and you've got to change with the times and keep ahead of the times. So I'm bringing you what I believe is my inner circle of confidence, the people that have mentored me, and some surprise special guests that will absolutely rock your world. Some of them are global personalities. So if you want to be part of this, you must register. Our global financial rescue formula is a formula, and we need all the pieces of the puzzle. Like a recipe, you need all the ingredients to make it work, and I'm bringing to you all the ingredients right to your home online over the month of May. I look forward to seeing you present and active and engaging with me as your mentor in the month of May in our global financial rescue formula. Register, secure your spot, because the spaces are limited, and we want to help those that are the hungry, that are the action takers, and that are the implementers. I look forward to seeing you on this awesome event.